Okay, let's learn the eighth structure. The eighth structure is I wanna. The eighth structure is I wanna. I wanna plus V1 plus something. Here I wanna means I want to. Actually this wanna is a colloquial language. This is informal language. This structure is used only in spoken English. Okay, this is informal language. I wanna means I want to. Okay, now let's see the usage of this structure. The structure is the structure is used in informal spoken English. Structure is used in informal spoken English to express a desire or intention. Structure is used to inform. The structure is used in informal spoken English to express a desire or intention. To express a desire or intention. I wanna means I want to. I wanna means I want to. Okay, so I wanna is informal language. I wanna is informal language. So let's see some examples. I wanna go to the beach. I wanna go to the beach, which means I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. Okay. I wanna watch a movie tonight. I wanna watch a movie tonight. I wanna eat biryani. I wanna eat biryani. I wanna learn how to play cricket, which means I want to learn how to play cricket. I wanna eat biryani means I want to eat biryani. Okay, I want to travel. I wanna travel Europe. I wanna travel to Europe. I wanna travel to Europe. I wanna read. I wanna read an interesting book. I wanna read an interesting book. I wanna take a selfie. I wanna take a selfie. I wanna run with my competitor. I wanna run with my competitor. I wanna learn French language. I wanna visit my uncle's house. I wanna visit my uncle's house next week. I wanna go to restaurant. I wanna go to restaurant. I wanna go morning walk. I wanna adapt. I wanna adopt a pet. I wanna adopt a baby girl. I wanna learn how to surf. I wanna plant some plants in my garden. I wanna start a new business with my friend. I wanna sing a song. Sweet. I wanna sing a song sweetly. I wanna start a podcast. I wanna start a podcast. I wanna create a website, a beautiful website. I wanna climb this tree. I wanna attend my friend's marriage. I wanna taste this new sweet. I wanna learn kickboxing. Wanna learn kickboxing. I wanna attend a musical event. I wanna help the poor. I wanna help the poor. Musical event. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next structure.